Oops.
I'll see you guys.
All right, see you, Bonnie.
Tire cleared. Throttle cut. Normal mode. Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, I don't. Too many parts are mangled on that thing. The fuses were obviously destroyed, but a bunch of the all the servo connectors are like mangled.
What?
It hit.
Because of the way it hit?
Yeah.
I heard it. I
No,
almost
big,
felt it.
like, there's like half a foot like deep impact spot.
Oh, that's bad.
It went right into the mud, but yeah, I'll take it home and I'll take the EDF out of it and stuff. I'll probably end up just giving it to you.
For what? Ah, no. Just get. You can get the Kit Plus for 150 bucks.
Minutes.
Let me know, because if you don't have them, I do. Whoa, there we go.
I'll just get the Kit Plus and put the parts.
Yeah, Kit Plus.
I'll have a bunch of spare parts.
Kit Plus comes with everything but the ESC and fan.
I know.
1 minute. Seconds.
My mom's gonna be here at about 7. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay, cool.
I don't have to do anything today. We already figured that out. We're good.
I'm not gonna make you be the father,
10,
Dad.
9, 8.
Nah, you're good.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I don't care if this thing's not fast. It is so much fun to fly.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh, look at that.
1 minute over.
Look at all that rain out there.
I know, and it's like hovering right there. I can smell it. It's like it's coming this way, but it's not actually coming the whole way.
Well, the way the wind's going, it wouldn't come at us.
Right, unless there's something changing. I don't know. That's just.
Flaps up.
Yeah, it's gonna be gusting 30 miles an hour there soon.
You can go ahead and taxi out. We're good.
T-33. 3. It's an HRV pack going to scream again.
Let's scream.
And there's not very much wind now, so we'll actually see.
Whoa.
NASCAR driver.
Sheesh.
So there's not that much wind now, so there's not going to be much wind assist. So we'll see how much it actually screams.
Oh, it does.